Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the interior lighting on a Mark III Renault Laguna from 2007 through to 2015. All you'll need for this is your hand. So use your hand to grip onto this cover and pull it away from the headlining. You'll see in here are 3 W5W wedge type bulbs. And grab a piece of tissue if you're not wearing gloves to remove one of the bulbs. You can see like this. And it's also quite handy if you want to upgrade for LEDs to give yourself a bit more light inside the car. But replace the bulb. In my case, replace the bulb anyway. And feel free to test before you put the cover back on. To refit the cover, it's the same as removing it. So just line it up. It's the same process for the one in the back of the car because it is exactly the same unit. So again, use your hand to grab the cover, pull it away. You'll see the 3 W5W wedge type bulbs in there. Grab your piece of tissue to remove one. Either put a new W5W wedge type bulb back in or an upgrade for an LED. Grab your tissue, put it back in, test it, and refit the cover. And there you have it. So we really hope you enjoyed watching that video and now gives you the confidence to do it yourself. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes and have a great day too.